I'm Dr. Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm the Clinical Director at PCMH Restore Health, Sheshadripuram, Bangalore. I'm also the Founder Director of Aviksha, a home-based primary care. My expertise is in HIV, palliative care and geriatric care. The home-based care is provided to anyone who's in need of home-based. That is when a person is unable or has difficulty to access a clinic or a hospital. In today's Covid-19 era, a lot of elderly people do not want to visit a clinic or a hospital for the fear of getting infection from the hospital or a clinic. And we provide them care at their home. If they have symptoms of COVID, then the care is provided through a teleconsultation, where it is the primary care management where you do not require intervention. So you do not require a secondary or a tertiary care hospital facility. A primary care can be provided at home, where the management is basically by managing symptoms. If somebody does develop any further symptoms like breathlessness, then we advise them to be moved to a hospital setting to be able to support through oxygen. We also provide support at a COVID care center, which is a center mainly for people who are positive but do not have symptoms, or they could be having very mild symptoms of cough, cold, fever, mild fever, and they are managed at a COVID care center. But at a home care, it is mainly provided through teleconsultation or a video consultation, where we look at a patient and the patient does a self-monitoring by assessing their saturation, that is their oxygen level in their lungs, and they check their temperature, and we monitor on a day-to-day basis to see how the patient is progressing. And any early detection of where the person requires to be shifted, then we make arrangement for them to be shifted to a hospital.